welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. So if you're new here, what are you waiting for, guys? Just hit on that subscribe button and then on the bell icon so that you will be notified on all the videos that I upload. So yes guys, that's about the introduction. I don't have much to talk about introduction. So yes, to the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. I don't remember if I told you that. Okay, so let's begin with today's video, guys, without further delay. So my thing about this video, I'm going to review a product, and just like in the description, it's a review of Good Vibes Wheat Germ Nourishing Night Cream. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's just amazing. It's got a luxurious look, and just like all the Good Vibes products out there. And if I have to speak about the product, guys, it's free from paraben, sulfates and mineral oil, and this is a cruelty free product as well, which means there is no animal testing done on this product. Speaking about the validity, it has 2 years of shelf life, and this retails for 225 rupees, which is always on discount on purplle.com. At least a 10% discount is what you will get. So yes, my camera is not capturing it, guys. I'm so sorry about that. And speaking about the ingredients, it has a lot of good ingredients like water, then there is wheat germ, of course, then there is stearic acid, there is jojoba oil, there is olive oil, then there is some chemicals, of course, which we are not chemists to check on chemistry, the chemical part, right? So yes, it's a very good if you are aware, guys, wheat germ is an all-rounder. It is an all-rounder for all your skincare needs, be it your anti-aging properties, acne-prone skin, any of these kinds of things can be treated with wheat germ. And this is usually wheat germ is used as an ingredient in the night skincare, because during the night is a time when your skin heals, and that is when you really get a lot of benefits from the product. So yes, I am here. I sat in front of you to share with you the product, and before I just finish it off, this is the only amount of product that's left, guys. So you can guess how much I have used it. But yes, let's start speaking about what the product claims to do. And speaking about the packaging, this is all the packaging you get. You don't get any extra outer carton or something. And what it claims to do: wheat germ, a huge source of vitamin E. It fights against free radicals damage, and yes, that's all it is. It speaks about, actually. Yes, that's all it speaks about, guys. So this is what the product is, and the texture of this product is quite thick. But yes, that's how the night creams are supposed to be. They are supposed to be quite thick. It blends like this. It doesn't actually feel sticky or something once you apply it. It blends really well, and it gives your skin a very good shine. But I had a problem with this, guys. I don't know if this is because of the region I come from. It smells amazing. Oh my god, it's an amazing smell. I love the smell, but I don't know if this is because from the place where I come from. Here it's quite hot and the weather is humid. Maybe because of that I'm facing this issue. Well, I'm not sweating otherwise, but when I apply this cream, my skin starts to sweat. If you can see right now, my skin, I haven't applied any makeup and it is completely dry. I will show you right on the screen how it will be once I apply this. I start to sweat. Within some time, I start to sweat, and the fan is also switched on, guys. So I don't know if you have used it and you have also faced similar issues. Please let me know in the description box. I mean in the comment section. I'm so sorry. Please let me know in the comment section. But I have always faced this issue that when I apply this night cream, my skin tends to feel, it starts to sweat. Now within some time you will see the effect, guys. Yes, I'm almost sweating. I can feel it. I already started sweating over here. I don't know if it is visible on the camera. If my camera, here I'm sweating already. Let me give it some time so that I will sweat. Usually to see the positive aspects of a few products we have to wait. So it's a similar thing with this. To see some other side of this product or a side where they could improve, we have to wait for some time. And speaking, so this what you see is not actually because I have used it up completely on my face, but anything that doesn't work on my skin goes to my hands and legs as a moisturizer. So that's what I have done with this product actually. And when I apply this, guys, the moment I apply this product, I don't feel any air circulating throughout my face. See, you can see this. Actually, that is a sweat on my face right now. I don't know, it's not visible on the screen, but actually I'm sweating. My nose is sweating, my upper lips is sweating. Here I'm sweating over here, especially my T-zone I'm completely sweating. But my S-zone is still fine. Maybe it's something that is good for someone with a dry skin. But I have a combination skin, maybe that's the reason it doesn't work out well for me, because this area where it is dry is still fine. I could say not that big a issue, but my T-zone where I am actually oily is very sweaty. I just want to show it to you. I don't understand how could I show you the amount of sweat that I'm having. It's very sweaty, guys. Actually, it's very sweaty. Okay, so yes, I will be back with a tissue paper. Let's get back with the tissue paper so that I can show you how much I'm sweating. So yes, guys, I'm back with a tissue paper. Let me show you how much I'm sweating. Can you see that sweat at least on the tissue paper? I don't know. Can you see? It's all wet actually, the tissue paper. I don't think so my camera is catching it much, but that's the truth, guys. Can you see my sweat over here at least right now? I don't know. I'm simply dragging this video. Let me just tell you, it sweats a lot. That's the thing. I sweat like anything after applying this cream. Well, it does the same effect on my hands as well, but yeah, it is better than the face because I'm already acne prone. I'm just scared, like if my pores get clogged, it may cause more of acne. So that's the reason I'm scared, and I have been using it on my hands and legs. But let me tell you, it's good for someone with a dry skin maybe, and maybe they have to mention it here for the skin type. That's one thing that is missing in Good Vibes products. They don't mention what skin type can use the product actually, because I have used their other products. They are really good for my skin. They work really well, and the texture is much thinner than what I have used. So that's about for today's video, guys. A lot of blabbering in this video. Until my next video, take care. Bye bye. Love you all. And yes, oh my god, I always forget this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Your subscription means a lot to me. Share my video with your friends, with your families, and help me grow, guys. Let's be a huge family on YouTube. So yes, guys, that's all I had to say. Until my next video, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.